Alright, so we are going to get right into this video. First, you're going to grab your oil of choice. I'm using olive oil just because I find it super moisturizing, but you can use any oil that you prefer. And my exfoliator of choice is going to be a dry brush. I really find that dry brushes just, get to the point. It gets rid of those dead skin cells, girl. Get rid of it. And the dry brush does the damn trick. So I really like dry brushes. Gets rid of the dead skin cells, and it really helps with your blood flow as well. So the result at the end is just flawless glowing skin. But I am taking this oil and massaging it into my legs just to allow the oil to really seep into my skin. And of course you're getting a nice massage at the end of it too. And then I'm taking the dry brush and moving the dry brush in a circular motion. So this really helps with the blood flow, and as well as moving the lymphatic fluid up your leg towards the lymph nodes, which is amazing. Literally, your legs are going to be glowing after using a dry brush. I highly recommend you guys get one. And then you're going to grab another exfoliator of choice. So I grabbed this washcloth from, I think it was Marshall's, and I think it's amazing. I love to use it ever so often when I shower all over my body. And then I also used African black soap. The best soap that you can use for this. I think it's perfect for getting rid of dead skin cells and really cleaning your skin. So I'm just soaping up my legs to get rid of all that excess oil, and I'm going to take the exfoliating washcloth and just again scrubbing my legs in a circular motion and really just moving the blood flow up the leg. And also, if you suffer with discoloration in certain parts of your leg or your skin or anything, now is the time to really just kind of scrub away at it. You don't want to damage your skin, but you do, want to target those areas. And dry brushing and using an exfoliating washcloth would be perfect to target those areas. So I love to use conditioner as my shaving cream. You can always just get, like a foaming shaving cream, or you could even use oil. But I found conditioner to just, be my best friend. Conditioner always works for me, so I just stick to what I know, and I just, use any cheap conditioner, and that works fine. And my razor is an Intuition, Chic Intuition razor. These are absolutely amazing. I swear by these. My mom swears by it. My aunt swears by it. I swear by it. I highly recommend you get one. As long as your blade has as long as your razor has 4 blades or more, you'll be in a good position. But this razor, wow, game changer. So seamless. I get really soft, smooth finishes. It's just amazing. I'm literally obsessed with this razor. So now I'm all done shaving this leg. She's looking cute. She's looking smooth. She's looking strawberry leg free. I am just gonna, of course, pat my leg dry, and then I'm using emu oil as my moisturizer. So I tend to use oils to moisturize my skin after I shave, just because I find it to just, really moisturize my skin and just avoid any kind of irritation. So we're just going to use emu oil and really rub that oil into our skin. Rub it in. It's going to be a nice little massage. It's going to be great. You're going to feel so good after this. Promise. But even shea butter is an amazing butter to use for your legs after shaving as well. I kind of interchange mine between emo oil and shea butter. And look at that. Look at that, girl. We're smooth as butter. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one.